Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have an unboxing today on my Lily Jade Shaylee. It just came in the mail and I did get charged $100 Canadian in duties, which I wasn't too happy about, but I don't know, what can you do? There's not much you can do about it. With my plum Shaylee, I only got charged $39 Canadian in duties, so I was lucky that time, but I knew it was a chance, so here it is. So it comes with this little booklet, and this one has the Jade interior. So there is the insert, which is a really pretty colour, and it also comes with a little change pad. So I'm just going to take it out. So it does come packaged up. And it's in its dust bag, and oh, I can see the top of it. It is really nice, and there it is. Okay, that is really nice. It's darker than I thought it would be. My lighting's not very good in here. It's a really dull day, but it is really pretty. I also have my plum Shaylee, which I really love. So this one does have the magnetic pockets. My other one has the zippers, so what I'm going to prefer, I don't know, because I've never had one with magnetic pockets, so, but I think this will be easier to get into, I guess. The zippers are kind of tricky until you get used to them, but they're not too bad, but that's nice. That'd be like really handy to be able to shove your phone down into there. And then we'll just quickly open it up. It does have all the packaging there. So there is the interior. It's that really pretty colour. Oh, that's really nice. I really love it. And there is this strap that can be used for crossbody or the backpack straps. So yeah, it is really nice. This is the Old English, and I love the gold on it. The gold's really pretty on here. So anyway, I will do a packing video on this once I've unpacked it all and show you how I have it packed up and what I'm going to pay with it. Thanks for watching.